Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about your 400 watt equivalent LED floodlights. We have lots of different options. These are just three of them I'm featuring today that we stock. But again, for a 400 watt replacement, you want anywhere from 15,000 up to 21,000 lumens, again, depending on what you're trying to light, how many fixtures you have. These two are just more your traditional, more commercial floods. This comes in a 150 watt or a 200 watt. This one comes in a 120, 150 watt. We stock the 120, we do not stock the 150 watt. Again, they do come standard with a trunnion bracket. You get a nice flood, 120 degree op spread. This is our industrial grade modular flood. As you see some of the other videos, this is called our IMF industrial modular flood. You'll notice that we grow it with modules to take it to a 400 and 600. In the case of the 200, it will give you a lot more light than you currently have now. It's rugged. There is a pole mount option for it. There's also a visor option in case you want to reduce any of the potential glare. This is great for horse arenas, practice fields, any type of application you're trying to light up a large area. So give one of our sales techs a call today, and they can help you pick the right 400 watt equivalent LED floodlight for your application. Have a great day.